We're Immobiliser fitting. This is the Halo Mini with total kill on a 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5. As you see, it's only got 15 miles. It's a brand new vehicle and the customer ordered it secure. So the Halo Mini in its standard form is a push sequence immobiliser. So the vehicle's not going to go into gear. They're going to be unable to drive it until you pass an authorization using a code. So we'll pop the code in, receive a double flash, and we can drive away. As you see, it's gone into gear. We can drive off. When we leave the vehicle, the system becomes active instantly. So when I open the door, we get 2 flashes and the vehicle's not going to go into gear unless it sees the code. So we'll try to put it into gear. As you see, it's not going into gear. So we'll pop our code in again, 1212, receive our flash, and we can drive away. This system has a service mode to turn the entire system off when it goes back to Hyundai. So how you do that is you turn the ignition on, pop your code in, and on the last press you'll keep it held. So we'll keep it held for 10 seconds and then we're going to get 5 flashes. This makes this a normal vehicle. So when we leave, the system doesn't activate. It will start up, go into gear as if there's no immobiliser fitted. When you get it back, to put it into service mode is the same process. So we'll turn the ignition on, pop our code in and hold. But coming out of service mode, we'll just get 1 flash. This confirms the system's active and your vehicle's now secure again. So we'll keep it held. Now we've got our flash, we can let go. The system's back on. You'll know because when you open the door, 2 flashes and it comes back on. With the total kill, say the worst should happen, you've taken it for a service, you've left the vehicle in service mode, obviously it's not secure, and someone's stolen the vehicle, or you've given the code to a friend, to someone you thought was a friend, they know the code, and they can drive the vehicle, and they're not bringing it back. What you can do with the total kill, go into your tracking app, obviously see where the vehicle is, and you can also do what's known as a total kill. So if we go in here, we'll cut off the vehicle, type in the customer's password. Now this command's successful, whether it's in service mode, it's going to jump out and they're going to be unable to drive it, or even if your so-called friend knows your code and they go to drive the vehicle away, it's just no longer going to accept that code. As you see, the code's not gone in. It's going straight back into park. If we try again, 1, 2, 1, 2. No flash. We've totally killed the vehicle. It's not going to go anywhere. The only way you're going to get this to move again is if you go into your app, recover the vehicle. Obviously once you go to it, you can then recover it so it can be driven again. So we'll just press OK. The command's successful. Now if we try the code, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get our flash, we can drive off. This is the Halo Mini with total kill. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Just to sum up, this is a push sequence immobiliser. Total kill gives you tracking so you can see where the vehicle is, where it's been, and also total kill, so whether it's in service mode it will disable the vehicle, or if you've given the code to someone you shouldn't have, it will disable the keypad entry so they can no longer use that code. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a brand new 2024 plate Hyundai Ioniq 5. As you see, we have only 15 miles on. To get one of these fitted, once again our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.